One topic that has always confused us is the difference between asteroids, comets, meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites. What are these? Watch the video till end to end all your queries on these celestial bodies. Asteroids are small rocky objects that orbit the sun. They orbit the sun just like any other planet. But there are too small to be considered as planet. There are lots of asteroids in our solar system, but most of them live in the asteroid belt, a region between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. There are around 1.1 to 1.9 million asteroids in the asteroid belt. The largest object in the asteroid belt is a dwarf planet named Ceres. Although Ceres comprises of 25% the mass of the entire asteroid belt, the tiny Pluto is still 14 times larger than Ceres. The smallest asteroid discovered till now is the 2015 TC25, which is just 2 meters wide. Now let's talk about comets. Comets are basically dusty snowballs which orbit the sun. They are made of ices like water, carbon dioxide, ammonia, and methane mixed with dust. These materials were present from the time the solar system was formed. Comets are believed to have two origins. Long period comets which take more than 200 years to complete just one orbit around the sun come from the Oort cloud, which is the outermost part of our solar system. It is a theoretical cloud made of icy rocks proposed to surround the sun from distances ranging from 2000 AU to 2 lakh AU. Here AU means 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit is the distance between the sun and the earth, that is 150 million kilometers. Short period comets which take less than 200 years to complete one orbit around the sun are believed to originate from the Kuiper belt. The Kuiper belt is a region of our solar system that exists beyond the 8 major planets, extending from the orbit of Neptune at 30 astronomical units to approximately 50 astronomical units from the sun. The Kuiper belt is similar to the asteroid belt, but it is as 20 times wide and 20 to 200 times more massive than the asteroid belt. You can easily spot a comet by looking at its long tail. The most famous comet discovered till now is the Halley's Comet. The Halley's Comet is a short period comet that takes 75 years to complete one orbit around the sun. The rarest comet ever discovered is now visible to the unaided eye in the night sky for very few days from now. The comet is named Neowise and won't return back to Earth until the next 6,800 years from now. The last time Neowise went past by Earth, the Hindu epic Ramayana was going on. Now moving on to meteoroid. A meteoroid is a small rocky or metallic object in the outer space. Meteoroids are significantly smaller than asteroids and range in size from small grains to 1 meter wide objects. Most of the meteoroids are fragments of asteroids or comets, whereas others are collision impact debris from other planets like Mars or our own moon. Now let's talk of meteors. When a meteoroid, asteroid or comet enters the Earth's atmosphere, it gets burned up and then comes down in the form of a shooting star. This shooting star is known as a meteor. A meteor gets burned up in Earth's atmosphere and does not hit the ground. But when a meteoroid, asteroid or comet hits the surface of Earth, it's known as a meteorite. When a large meteorite impacts on the Earth's surface, it creates a large impact and it forms a dent on the surface of Earth, which is known as a crater. Chicxulub crater was formed by the impact of the meteorite that killed the dinosaurs. It is present in the country of Mexico but is no longer visible as it happened a long time ago. There is an asteroid which is believed to be an alien spaceship due to its very strange structure. What do you think of it? Is it a spaceship? Is it an asteroid or is it something else?